In this video, I'll show you how to play music with Google Home. Step 1. Open the Google Home app and ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Step on your Google Home device and make sure it's powered on. Step 3. Ask Google Home to play music by saying, "Hey Google, play," and then the song or the artist. For example, "Hey Google, play Taylor Swift." Step 4. You can also ask for playlists, genres, or music from specific apps like YouTube Music or Spotify. Step 5. If you prefer, use the Google Home app to control the volume or change the music selection. However, you can also say, "Hey Google, lower the volume," and then it will lower the volume. Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired outcome with Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching, subscribe.